Namaste, friends. Welcome. Join me at the top of your mat. Feet about hips width apart, slight bend in the knees, soft in the shoulders. Breathe into the heart and descend over the legs. When you reach the bottom, let the arms drape. Coil the spine like a cat, roll up. Inhale again, heart forward as you melt down over the legs, and then coil back as you come up. One more time on the way down, inhaling. Start to take the right leg up as you rise up. Open the leg off to the side. Broken tree pose. Take a breath. Exhale, yoga curtsy. Draw the hands to prayer. Twist to your left, bringing that right elbow to the outside of the thigh. Send the hands to the heart. Breathe in and then twist. On your inhale, rise up again. Send the leg out. Figure forward over the thigh. Stick the butt back as you draw the chest forward, tapping the elbows on the shin. Inhale, lift up again, and then try to twist over to that same side, bringing the elbow into the arch of the foot as you look left. Breathe in. Squeeze the exhale. Inhale, center yourself, look forward, and then send that leg back, warrior three. Hands back by your sides with the palms facing down. Breathe into length. And then exhale, hands to the earth, step back, low lunge. Take a breath here. Exhale, draw the front leg to straighten. Pyramid pose, bowing the head towards the front knee. If you want to anchor the back heel down briefly, do so, and then let's take a long exhale. Inhale, rebend the front knee, low lunge. Send the back knee to the pinky edge of your front foot. Have a seated twist, right elbow around left shin. Left hand tense back behind. Breathe tall from sit bones to crown. Use the exhale to squeeze a little deeper into that twist. Good. Look forward. Let the arms open as you switch. Right hand back. Use the tricep of the left hand to lever your heart open to that right side wall, keeping the left knee in place so that the hip opens as well. Then inhale. Take the hands to frame the front foot. Bow the third eye to tap onto the knee. And then inhale to shift the weight forward. Come all the way up to stand, feet about hips width apart at the front of your mat. Second side, heart opens as you inhale, breathe down. Exhale, coil back, coming up. Take that again. Inhale, heart open. Exhale, coiling up. One more time, just the way down. And then we're going to come up, taking that left leg up and off to the side, broken tree pose. Take a breath here. Yoga curtsy, hands to prayer as you twist to the right, left elbow to the outside of the right thigh. Breathe in. Use the exhale to send the heart towards the thumbs, soften in that right shoulder. Inhale, rising up, send the leg out. Figure four, the ankle in front of the shin. Take the hands to the heart and see if you can tap the elbows onto the cross leg. Inhale, lifting up. Exhale, push the elbow into the arch of the foot. Look right. Try to dial your heart towards your thumbs. All right. Inhale, look forward. Send that leg back into your warrior three. Lengthen as you breathe. And then with your next exhale, hands to the earth, stepping back to low lunge. Breathe heart long. Exhale, straighten through the front leg. Feel free to anchor the back heel as you take your pyramid pose. Breathe in. Long exhale. Inhale, rebend the front knee. Send the left knee to the pinky edge of your right foot. Left elbow wraps, right hand behind. Breathe up tall. Look back, squeeze out. And then inhale to open it up, switching sides. Left hand back. Use that right tricep to peel the chest over towards the left wall. Inhale, take your hands to center. Tent the fingers. Exhale, tap the third eye to the knee. Inhale, looking up. Exhale, shift the weight onto the front leg as you come all the way up to stand. Feet together or hips width apart at the front of the mat. Let's take that one more time. Inhale, heart open. Coil as you come up. Inhale, heart open. Coil as you come up. One more time, heart opens. Take the right leg up with you as you shift the weight onto the left leg. Cactus the arms, take that knee off to the side. Beautiful. Take a yoga curtsy, step the foot back, take the elbow to the outside, breathe here, and then exhale to squeeze. Inhale, rise up, send the right leg off to the side. Figure for the ankle, hands to the heart, breathe. Squat a little lower, tap the elbows if you can. Inhale, just lift up a little bit. Send the elbow into the arch of the foot and start to take the gaze over to the left. Inhale, lift up, look forward. Send that right leg back, hands by your sides. Beam the chest forward. Really try to spread out through the standing foot, the toes. Hands down, step back, low lunge, breathe here. Exhale, straighten through the front leg, pyramid pose. On your next inhale, rebend the front knee. Slide the back knee to the pinky edge of the foot. Wrap elbow to shin, sit up tall, breathe. And then squeeze as you exhale. Inhale, open it up. Take the other side of that. Tricep pushes. Heart dials to the right. Inhale, hands to the mat. Tent the fingers. Bow the third eye to the knee. Inhale, look up. Rock the weight forward as you come to stand. Final side. Inhale, heart opens as you descend. Coil as you come up. One more full pulse. Inhale, heart opens. Coil as you come up. Now the heart opens again on the descent. On the way up, move the weight into the right leg. Sweep the left leg up. Cactus the arms. Kick through that heel. Yoga curtsy. Step the foot off to the side. Take that left elbow to the outside of the thigh. Breathe. And then squeeze your heart towards your thumbs. Gaze forward. Come up. Send the leg out. Figure for the ankle on the thigh. Tap the elbows. Inhale, float a little. Push that elbow into the arch of the foot. Inhale, take it up, send it back. Vira 3. Get as long as you can. And then step it back to low lunge on the exhale. Inhale. Exhale, front leg straightens. Feel free to anchor the back heel. Breathe all the way out. Inhale, front knee bends. Send the knee to the pinky edge of the foot. Seated twist, left elbow wrap. Sit up tall. Breathe in. Squeeze it a bit deeper. And then switching sides. Right arm extends out as you open the heart to the left side wall. Tent the fingers at the front of the mat, tap the third eye. And then inhale, look forward. Send it forward. Step the feet together. Pause in Samastitihi. Close the eyes. Namaste, friends. Thank you so much for joining me. Can't wait to see what you come up with. And I will see you soon. Namaste.